we're checking out the Cloth and Paper June monthly subscription box. Now, I've always been very impressed with everything that they do. I love that it's all black and white, and it's very simple and it's very elegant. So I haven't done a monthly subscription unboxing in almost 2 years, possibly 3. So we're going to check it out and see what they have. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now today's not a Saturday, I just have so many unboxings. So there was like a period where I didn't have any unboxings and I was kind of worried, so I might have over-ordered, which is why I ordered a Cloth and Paper box, even though I've already done a monthly subscription box, but I figure it's been a few years, so we might as well check it out. So this is $38 and it is just for the planner items. You can pay, I believe, an additional $20 to get the pens, but I tried this in the past and I didn't really like the pens. I'm very particular though about pens. It's not that they had bad ones. I just don't like somebody else picking out my pens for me. I don't know. It's just a thing. Anyways, this came pretty quickly. It is April today, and this is the box for June, so you don't have to worry like your box isn't going to get there on time. Usually people mail things like the month ahead of time, but this came so far in advance that there's no way you could not be prepared for June. So let's go ahead and take a look. It arrived just like this, so it's shipped in the mail. There's a mailing label on the bottom, and inside we have packaging slip. We have an inventory list. We have some tissue paper. I learned a long time ago the wisest thing I can do is be on my own side. And we have, it looks like an insert. All right, that's kind of cool. It's like a paint, I guess. Not really sure. All right. I honestly have no idea what this is. I could have looked at the inventory, but it's more fun this way, right? Here we go. This is a card. If you can see that. It says it's June. It's the world's tiniest card, but somehow it's super cute. And then we have another June card, and we have, I don't even know, a saying, I guess. And oh, now we have another saying. And we have arrow sticky notes. These, I don't have a lot of good luck with these. Let's try these out. Sometimes these are not sticky, although maybe I just feel like that. The Erin Condren and the Cultivate What Matters stickies, I don't know why. They're just like somewhat sticky. This is the same thing. I don't know why. People just don't put enough stickies on these things. But it's been cute. I do like the gray color. Page flags. So little tabs. These are kind of dark. I mean, that goes with her whole branding. She uses black and white. Let's see. Same things. Whoops. They're just not sticky enough. I feel like these will, yeah, this will come off in like 2 seconds. Okay. Let's see. Erasable Gel Pen. Maybe there's some patent that Post-it has, that Mead Post-it or whoever makes them has, and nobody else can have the same kind of glue, and it's like just impossible to create one without the patent. I'm guessing. I don't really know. All right. It's the gel erasable pen, gel pen. I am not smart enough to know how to open it. I swear. I'm pushing really hard. It's not opening. Is there another mechanism to open this? I cannot be that dumb. Can I? Okay. This is broken. It does not open. So don't even know what that was. And here we have a grid notepad. I don't know why. I said this on the other unboxing. I'm just not into grids. I like dot grids, but actual grids, I'm just not into. No, there's nothing sticky. It's just a regular piece of paper. And here we have Elysian, a beautiful or creative, divinely inspired, peaceful, and perfect Elysian. Oh, like Elysian Fields, I guess. Tips to decorate your space. This is random. Oh my gosh, it just closed on me again. All right. It's like a vellum-y kind of paper. Tips to decorate your space. Yeah, I'm not even going to open it. I don't even fill corners with plants. Oh, I guess if this is, you could fill things in. But this would be specific to somebody else's home layout. Right? My home is not laid out like that. Self-cultivation, same thing. Home refresh, renovation, to-do, supply list, notes. I think these are all the same. Oh, wait, maybe I'm at the back. Let's see. Nope, this is the right way to look at it. Oh, these are all different. So home refresh, contact info, mood board, same. Okay, so now the pages are all the same. Oh, nope, space layout, planning. Oh, maybe that's why it's all dot grids. You're supposed to like draw your own place, I guess. Here it is again. Oh yeah, it says demo page. My house doesn't look like this. This is a really random box. So what did you think? Like I said, this was literally the most disappointing box I've ever received from them. And to say that, I mean, I've only received 2 other boxes from them, but I don't know. It's like nothing in here was useful. It was a very odd box. It doesn't really help you prepare for the month at all, except for those itty bitty teeny weeny cards that I could barely read. And I'm nearsighted. So that means I don't even need bifocals. Like I can see stuff, but even close up, like I was like, I don't know, even know why it was so tiny. I guess if you needed something really, really tiny in your wallet to carry around, then that would be useful. But otherwise, I don't know. Let me know what you thought. I guess I was thinking there would be planner related stuff for the month or something else. I really didn't get the whole working out your space thing, or maybe because I'm a minimalist, so I don't really have a lot of stuff, or I'm not moving. I think that would be very useful if you were moving, like right at that particular moment. But yeah, even then, like it's not your space. Like, I don't know. It just didn't make a lot of sense. Let me know what you thought. All right, I will stop talking about this. So if you are interested in creating your own planner, make sure to subscribe to my free course, Planner 101. And I hope everyone's having a fabulous day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, I will see you tomorrow because tomorrow is our plan with me where we talk about May. And I go over all the things that I did for April, or possibly all the things I did not do for April. So there's like 1 week. I'm filming this like a week before this video comes out. So we'll see how much I actually get accomplished before the Plan With Me video. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.